Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining in. So many of you have actually reached out to me. Okay, I know how to loom. I'm using my 36 peg loom, and I know how to make scarves, but I'm ready to make a full-sized blanket. And how do I do that? How do I combine all these strands together? So in this YouTube video, I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. If you end up liking this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. I wanted to mention, if you're new to looming, you can definitely go onto my YouTube channel on this video on how to loom, and I give you instructions step by step on how to loom. First, I just want to show you guys the actual blanket that I loomed. I'm just going to give you guys an idea of how wide one strand would be. This is the 36 peg loom, and it makes about this much width. So you're going to make the whole width of the loom and make it as long as you want. You're going to combine them all together. Just want to show you the section where I actually combined it together. You can't even notice. It all looks like one full blanket. But you can see just a small little line right down through here, and that's where I combined it all together. Here's the 36 peg loom. Here's a couple sample looms that I've done to give you guys a better idea. So this is how wide this loom has made this piece. And then of course you're gonna make this as long as you'd like. So what you wanna do is take your two strands and you wanna combine the edges here, this. So you can see that on the edge of each piece that you do, you have like a little, it's like a V. See this little piece right here? So what you can do is just cut a strand of your yarn about 5 or 6 inches. And I'm sure there's other ways that you can do this, but if you try knitting or crocheting, that could be a possibility. But if you don't know how to crochet or knit, I found that this way is very effective and you don't notice the section where it actually combines, and it makes it look more like a natural flow and that it's been done all in one piece rather than different sections. So what you're going to do is just take that first corner and find that V section of the edge and just string your yarn through here. And do the same exact thing to your second piece here. And just find that edge, that little V section, and feed your yarn through here. And you simply just tie them together. And usually when I tie it, I will tie it 2 or 3 different times to make a really strong knot. So you can see how it's combined there now. And you're simply just going to cut off the excess. And there you go. And you just keep doing that all the way up the whole entire piece. I'm going to find the second loop here and just feed another 5 to 6 inch piece of string through. And find my other one here and feed it through as well. This makes a really nice stitch to just stitch both pieces completely together, and you'll never have any excess bulk or any deformity as far as the pieces being combined together. And you're just going to cut off the second piece, cut off that excess there. So I'm going to continue to do this all the way up so you guys can see the final result of the sample piece, and then we'll take a look and see what it looks like in the end. Okay, so I finished combining the sample pieces together, and honestly, I cannot tell where one ends and the other one begins. It all combines so nicely together, but I will point out that I did combine them right here. So this is where the one ends and the second one begins. But you can see it flows really nicely together. This is doing the loom here. And this is doing it again. And of course, to make a full-size blanket, I would recommend doing 4 of those and combining them all together. But of course, you can do as many as you'd like. You can do 5, depending on how big you want the blanket to be. But that is how I combine the 2 strands together without looming or knitting or crocheting. You just tie them together. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video on how to make a full-size adult blanket by using a loom with 36 pegs and combining them all together. And if you did, please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because it definitely helps support me. And don't forget to click on that notification bell. I'll see you guys back next time. Take care.